Rubber plant or Ficus elastica is a very popular houseplant because of its big glossy leaves. It can remove harmful chemicals from the air which occurs from furniture, varnishes, paints, detergents, etc. In this video, we will talk about this popular houseplant which not only looks good but also purifies the air. So watch this video till the end to know more about it. So let's get started. There are mostly two varieties of rubber plant. First, the variegated rubber plant, which is a bit colorful, and the second one is the burgundy color one, which is more common than the variegated rubber plant. Mostly, the burgundy color rubber plant becomes a tree. The sap which comes out from the stem is used to make rubbers. Rubber plant needs a bright light to grow. Its leaves will burn if the plant is kept in direct sunlight. Best place to keep this plant is in a bright spot which receives indirect sunlight. You can even keep this plant in direct sunlight but take care of the leaves then. You can give this plant morning sunlight but not afternoon one. It might burn the leaves. Rubber plant can sometimes tolerate underwatering than overwatering. You can water this plant once a week or two, depending on the climate. If you travel a lot, this plant might be good for you. I water my rubber plant once in 2 days. Allow the soil to dry a bit between waterings, and whenever you water the plant, water it thoroughly. Overwatering will surely kill the plant. First its leaves will start drooping and then slowly your plant will die, so keep an eye on watering. Wipe the leaves of the plant regularly to make it shiny and glossy. I have already made a video on how to clean your plant properly. I will give the link of the video in the I button, you can check it out there. Rubber plant needs a well-drained soil. Mix coco peat and garden soil in equal parts and that's all. Coco peat helps to retain moisture in the soil and keeps the soil airy. The soil should not hold water for a very long time. The water should seep out from the drainage holes whenever you water the plant. Fertilizer is very important for the plant to grow fast. As rubber plant is not a fast growing plant, regular fertilizer might help in the growth of this plant. You can use any type of fertilizer for your plant, add it once a month which is more than enough. Rubber plant is very easy to propagate. I have made a dedicated video on how to propagate rubber plant from single leaf. Click on this video to watch it. If you are still watching this video, here is a bonus tip for you. As you know that rubber plant is a slow growing plant, here are some tips that might help in the faster growth of the plant. First, add regular fertilizer. Regular fertilizer will give a boost to the plant to grow fast. And second and the most important thing is pruning. Pruning is really very important for your rubber plant if you want it to grow bushy. If you do not prune the plant, it will grow very slowly and will look leggy. If you prune your rubber plant, you will see that your plant will grow faster. Regular pruning will also help the plant to grow bushy. Just cut the stem from the top and that's all. Now your plant will grow more faster and bushier. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, do like this video and subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon to watch more such videos. Have you watched our 10-day challenge video? If not, click here to watch it and I will see you very soon in the next video.